Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your phone's IP address on Android. Okay, so you need to go to your all apps, okay, and you need to find the settings. So this is the settings of my phone. Let me tap to open it. Okay, so after opening you need to scroll down and you need to tap on this system, and after that you need to find the about phone. You just need to tap on that. Okay, and guys, here you can see the status. Okay, so you just need to tap on the status, and here we have the IP address. Okay, so you can see the IP address. This is the IP version 6 and this is the IP version 4 address. Okay, and also guys, this is the private IP address of your phone. Okay, and suppose if you want to find out the public IP address, then you need to come out of this screen and you can just open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome in this case, so just open any web browser and go to google.com and just do a search for what is my IP. Okay, and just do a search for this, and you can see this is the IP address. Okay, and this is the public IP address. Okay, whatever your ISP provides you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.